Hey YouTubers out there, this is Wertech. I have three Clovis points here. One of them is real, as you can see, and the two other ones are resin prints. So the first one I did is this clear resin point. It's about as close as you can get with the resolution to the original point that I made. But this one is a modified version of the same point. I've tried to remove all the imperfections that I can digitally. I use Blender to do it. It's as thin as I can create it and print it, and it's what I think represents a classical looking Clovis point. But there's more that you can do. You can make funnels and sprues and incorporate the point into it to make a casting. So I want to make that out of aluminum, and it's a heck of a lot easier than gluing it together. So I'm going to make a mold out of that and try to cast it in aluminum. Anyway, that's it. Thanks. Bye.